Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Advika. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I'm done with the test.
Okay, beta. How was the test?
Ma'am, it was easy.
It was okay. Sorry. Good morning, all of you, once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, let's start today new chapter, that is lines and angle. May we start this chapter? Yes, children?
No, ma'am, we didn't.
Which one then?
Ma'am, we didn't start lines and angles.
Okay, so today we are going to start, okay?
Ma'am, lines and angles.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in grade 6, have you remembered about the properties of angles? In grade 6, you have studied properties of angles. Properties of angles, okay?
Ma'am, talking like 90 degree, 180 like that.
Properties of angles. So first is supplementary angle. Who will tell me what about the supplementary angles?
Can I?
Ma'am, two angles sum up to 180
Yes, ma'am.
degrees. They are known in
I mean,
supplementary.
when an angle forms an
When
angle
an
at
angle,
180 degree,
I'm
it is
like
called a
when an
supplementary
angle,
angle.
yes,
An angle
whose
A
sum
and B.
is 180 degree. Two
Yes.
angles are said to be supplementary. Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Clear, beta? So, thus, angle A and angle B are supplementary if angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. All have understood this thing? For example, suppose if you have given angle A is equal to 105 degree and angle B is equal to 75 degree. So angle A plus angle B. Now see, their sum is equal to 180 degree or not, beta? Their sum is equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
180 degree. So therefore, angle A and angle B are supplementary angles. Understood this thing, beta? Supplementary? Speak up, children. Shritesh, Advika, Siddhant,
Yes,
Rohini.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
please note this,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Okay, please note this. Turn on your cameras. Done, children?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am,
Yes.
can you wait for 1 more minute? I'm still writing.
Okay. Okay, okay. Aishwarya, why you have joined late, beta?
Ma'am, I actually went outside and just came from.
Okay, okay. So today you people are enjoying Sunday.
Not that much, ma'am.
Actually, beta, tomorrow will be off on the occasion of Rakhi festival, and that's why I'm taking your class today itself. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow actually we have other class also, like Vedic maths. That one also we won't have.
Maybe beta, you will get the message. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Manisha ma'am, will you let you confirm?
Okay, ma'am.
Then beta, may I proceed to next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is beta. Now complementary angles. So in the same way, complementary means
Ma'am, when angle A
When two
plus angle
angles
B will
are
be 90
summing
degrees.
up to
When
90
angle A
degrees.
plus angle B is
yes,
equal
90
to
degree.
90 degree.
Yes, complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary. Same definition you will write. So two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 180, right? So angle A and
No,
angle
ma'am,
B,
the
suppose
sum
two
is
angles are
90.
there.
Ma'am, the sum
Yes,
is 90.
oh sorry, 90 degree.
90, ma'am.
In next statement, I have written 90. See. So sum is 90 degree. So if angle A and B are complementary, if angle A and B are complementary, then their sum will be equal to 90 degree. So for example, suppose angle A is equal to 30 degree and angle B is equal to 60 degree. Now find their sum, children.
90
Then
degrees.
angle A,
90
yes.
degrees.
Yes, beta. 30 plus 60, 90 degree. So it means, therefore, angle A and B are complementary. Note it down it fast. Hurry up. These type of questions can come in your MCQs, beta. Okay?
Ma'am, I'm done.
All have written, children?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, one minute.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now next term came, that is adjacent angles. Anyone can tell me? Adjacent angles.
Ma'am, adjacent angles are the angles that have a common arm or and a common vertex.
Yes. See beta. So here two angles are there. Let's read this angle 1 and this angle 2. Right, children? So here angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angle because they have common vertex B. Clear? Clear, children? And
Ma'am,
one arm common. So BC is the common arm. See, first is this angle ABC and this is BDBC. So these are the common angles. Understood? Common vertex. B is the common vertex. So how we will define it? Let's write the definitions. Two angles are said to be adjacent with adjacent if angles are with same vertex, having same vertex, same common vertex, and one common arm. Clear, beta? One common arm. Lying on the opposite sides of the common arm. And one common arm and other arms lying on the opposite sides of the common arms. For example, in the given figure, we have two angles. So you will write angle AOD and angle BOD. Oh, sorry, DBC. So these are having same vertex. Angle B, write it, angle B. Same vertex B. Right, children? And common arm is BD. Common arm is BD. So therefore, these angles are said to be adjacent angles. Understood, children? Aishwarya, Rohini, Siddharth, Sritej,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Advika, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
All have done?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So may I proceed to next topic?
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
definition? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next is linear pair. Anyone knows about the linear pair?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Linear pair, beta.
Ma'am,
On the lines are straight and
linear
parallel
Okay.
is
to each
formed by
other.
the transverse.
These are the linear pair, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
the sum of a linear pair of angles should be like 180.
Yes. Correct. So see, linear pair of angles.
Ma'am, like is the diagram that you draw showing that the the line CO is dividing AOB into halves, like in the perspectives of 90 degrees.
No, see, beta. We have not given this. This is complementary or what is? Two adjacent angles. These are the adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles are said to be form a linear pair if their non-common arms. What are their non-common arms? AO and OB. They
Yes,
should be
ma'am.
in opposite direction. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you
So,
repeat?
yes, but I'm writing. Two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles are said to be said to form linear pairs if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. Two opposite rays. Can you tell me what are rays?
Ma'am, rays have a
Ma'am,
stop.
they have a starting point and no ending point.
Yes, and it can extend only in one direction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, suppose see in this figure, in adjoining figure, angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles, beta. Right? Because they have common vertex, so am I clear? Speaker children. And OA and OB are non-common arms. And are two opposite rays also.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And so therefore angle AOB will be a straight line.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. B is a straight
Angle
line.
AOB is a line. So therefore angle AOC and angle BOC form a linear pair. Understood? Understood,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am, while explaining adjacent angles, you drew a figure, right? Is that
Yeah.
figure is not a linear pair?
No, no, no. That one not a linear pair. This is a linear pair because AO and OB, these are the opposite rays. And in up and above one, see, in adjacent angle, OA and OC are not opposite rays and they are not forming after combining a line. Is it
Okay,
there?
ma'am.
Write it up.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Please note it down it fast, children.
Ma'am, what's the degree, like angle degree of, like, when we add two
Yes, yes.
linear
I'm
pairs?
telling this thing only after this.
Okay.
Their sum should be equal to 180 because angle AOB is a straight line. And we know that on a straight line, the angle is 180 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will tell you after this only.
Ma'am, I'm done.
All have written, children?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
one second.
Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one second.
Okay, okay, okay. Done, children?
Ma'am, here also AOB is a straight angle, right?
AOB, yes. This is because this is a straight line, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see beta. Two angles were found on a AOB, right? Right, children? A, B, O, and this is C. Two angles are there and AB is a straight line. So you will write AOB is a straight line. So therefore they will form linear pair or not? So angle AOC plus
Yes.
angle BOC, their sum should be equal to 180 degree. Is it clear, children? Any doubt in this? Rohini, Ashwara, Siddharth, Shritesh, Soumya, Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak up, children.
No more.
And turn on your video also.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. So may I proceed to next? So there are two important results, beta. See. Two important results are there. Not any two. There may be three angles also. Right, beta? On a straight line. Suppose
yes.
like this. One more angle should be like this. Then one more also there. Right? This. Okay. This is A, O, B. This is mark C, D, E. So this angle, this angle, this angle, and this. So how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, if the sum of all angles formed on the same side of a line at a given point on a line is 180 degree. Okay. The sum of all angles formed on one side of a line, then their sum should be equal to 180. Is 180 degree. See, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, their sum should be equal to 180 degree. Because all these four angles are lying on the straight line. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Rohini, Aishwarya, Siddhant,
Ma'am.
Soumya, Advika,
Ma'am, can
Shritesh.
you explain again?
So linear pair.
Yes, beta, because they are forming a linear pair, right?
Okay, ma'am.
But pair,
Yes, ma'am.
we will not use this word pair because pair means two. But here we have four angles. That's why, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So AOB is a straight line and all angles are lying on. See, beta, this
Ma'am,
angle
so
should
we
be equal to 180, right,
Ma'am,
beta?
ma'am, so
Yes.
we can't say that these all are linear pairs, or can we say?
Beta, pairs means into, right? Angles
Yes.
into. But we can write this thing that their sum should be equal to 180 degree because AOB is a straight line. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And second thing is the sum of all angles at a given point. Sum of all angles at given point. is 360 degree. Suppose a particular point is given O, and here these type of angles are given, right? So they form a complete angle, beta. Right, beta? So let 1, 2, 3, 4. So their sum should be equal to 360 degree. Is it clear? See, because A, B, C and D. See, AB is a straight line. And this one side, the sum of these angles should be equal to 180. And in below side also, in lower side, the sum of angles should be 180. So 180 plus 180, it will be equal to 360. Understood, children?
And so suppose we take x, letter x, and then
Yes.
we define like we keep some angles degree as
Yes.
x degrees, then
Yes.
y degrees. So we can find the value of x and y by
Yes,
using this
yes,
method.
yes. This thing we will learn only, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So today I will give you the questions like this only in homework, that find the complement of this angle and find the supplement of this angle. To find the complement, you have to subtract that angle from 90 degrees, right, beta? And to find the supplement, you have to subtract that angle from 180. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And children, I'm asking this thing again and again. Kindly share your homework and classwork as well on my personal window. And those who have not attempted today's test, kindly attempt test. Okay?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
like, is there a term for the angles which together form 360 degree?
Yes. A complete angle, complete.
Okay, ma'am.
So all have written?
We can directly remember by the thinking visually that when we when we draw an angles like the vertex in any figure that has that
Yes.
has two rays
4,
intersecting.
5, 6,
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
it is given. Okay.
And so we can draw the like that angle simple, and then we can see that it's forming a circle, and circle is
Yes.
always 360.
360 degree.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So all have written, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have written, they can leave it. Bye-bye. Now we
Thank
will
you.
meet in next class. Enjoy your Sunday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye, beta. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye, beta. Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Siddharth. Bye, Rohini.